Damn. Yes, sir. Chicken them turn up round here. Yo, I love this. I love this. I love this. I'm gonna gobble up some of that chicken here, you know. Chicken are bad. I tell you.
Dry out them bruises.
What? Some more of my chicken. It's just nice up my mouth, you know. Yeah, the guy I come for them 17, yeah. In about half an hour, I'm say. Them want some well spicy. Yeah, I make the pepper sauce already.
It's Willem Jones in on the beat.
Okay, guys, listen.
Apparent.
Mad. Okay, vegetable. Esco.
See sauce,
Barbecue.
everything.
Sauce ready for the fish.
Steam fish over here, so.
Jerk chicken.
Request.
Jerk sauce. Spanish rice and beer things. If you want gravy, there you feel.
Yeah.
Steamed fish and crackers.
Crackers.
Mud up and running.
Yeah.
And some steamed vegetable.
Yeah.
Yes, so nice. Have some more chicken in the oven. Okay, so I'm going to say 1 o'clock.
Festival.
Yeah, 12:30 me I put on the pot with the festival.
Yeah.
Come say 1 o'clock.
Catches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm on time.
Yeah, make sure.
On time. 1 o'clock me say. 1 o'clock me ready.
So,
There you go. Now it look like it.
Not about that.
I'm going to add the blend seasoning on the chicken, then put some Maggi all-purpose on it and a little tips of salt. Turn the stove down a little bit, halfway, and cover it up again and let them soak. Because you don't want to bite the chicken and see it raw, so I let it soak. And there you have it, guys. That's really it. That's how I do my fried chicken. Tell me what you think about this video in the comments below about my fried chicken. And let me know, guys, when you're stopping by for some fried chicken. Hope you enjoy this video. And bye for now. Okay, who ready to eat all you can? See it there now. They are cook up a storm. So, just getting some of the food them finish up and all. So, esco, vegetable, some oxtail over here, curry goat the pan fire, chicken I go jerk, rice and peas about for cook, white rice, and lot more. More fruits, more vegetable. Catch you all later. Okay guys, listen.
How far in? How far in?
Mad. Okay, vegetable,
Let's go.
esco,
See sauce,
barbecue,
everything.
sauce ready for the fish,
Steam fish over here, so.
jerk chicken,
Request.
jerk sauce, Spanish rice and beatings. If you want gravy, there you feel.
Yeah.
Steamed fish and crackers.
Crackers.
Mud up and running.
Yeah.
And some
Yeah.
steamed vegetable.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Roll
nice.
with it.
Have some more chicken in the oven. Okay, so I'm going to say 1 o'clock.
Festival.
Yeah, 12:30 me I put on the pot with the festival.
Festival. Yeah.
Come say 1 o'clock.
Catches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm on time.
Yeah, make sure.
On time. 1 o'clock me say. 1 o'clock me
1
ready.
So,
There you go.
not too
It's William Jones in on the beat.
Mo ní láti lówó, mo ní láti là. Mo ní belief pé màá jáwé ọ̀la. Mo ní láti lówó, mo ní láti là. Oh.